Beyond Photography Show, Andrew Boey. Thank you so much. I get a lot of feedback from many of you who subscribe to the channel because you say our format is very simple, very straightforward, and we kept things short and easy to understand. Thank you so much. You know what? We're going to up the ante now. We're going to make it even more fun. We're going to make it even more value for learning now. Write to us at info@beyondphotography.com.my, and if your email or your question gets featured, we have a free gift for you. The gift is you can subscribe to any of our e-learning of your liking, even not from the Southeast Asia region. And if you are from Malaysia, Singapore, Indonesia, and you want to come to our real-life classes, you do not need to pay for the real-life class if your question gets featured. So, today's episode is from Muhammad Hafizan bin Ilyas. Thank you for writing in. You would want to contact us. Tell us whether you want the real-life class or the e-learning, and it's yours for free. So Hafizan's question is, I get color custard photo on my subject when I use flash, where the walls have colors. Ouch. Hafizan, that's not fun. Tell you what, no worries. We have a solution for you. Action! Wait. Huh? Before we start, we just started our 11/11 promotion, but the sad thing is, the whole world is doing the same thing, and our payment gateway servers, iPay88, just couldn't take all the connection overload. The servers just break down and no one can actually pay and subscribe to our e-learnings. So, we want to avoid the disappointment that a lot of our subscribers and photographers are going through. We value your support, and because of that, we are extending this until the 14th of November. So regardless where you are in the world, if you look at your clock, you look at your watch and calendar, you see that it's 14th of November, you can still subscribe to our e-learnings at 50% off, taking advantage of our 11/11 promotion. We're also taking the opportunity to launch 3 new courses, which is the e-learning wedding portrait photography, 50% discount. This is a masterclass. You do not want to miss this one. And also a new one called e-learning landscape photography. This is great if we're just getting started with photography and want to take stunning picture of landscapes and sceneries. The third one is one of our most exciting projects. This is a project that I've always wanted to do. This is a masterclass series. We're giving you the opportunity to pre-register at 50% of our advanced flash e-learning masterclass, which will be launched early 2019. Sign up now and you get 50% discount. So hurry, head on to our website. We're extending the 11/11 promotion. Well, to simulate your problem, I needed 2 things. First, a location which is color custard. Found a green screen studio. The green is bad enough. I still need to have a model who will be color custard. So who's your favorite model in our YouTube channel? Oh, Filipina, eh? Filipina is the model for today's episode. Say hi.
Hi.
Alright, so we're gonna stand Filipina here. Gonna go slightly out of camera, fire a flash, bounce it on the wall, make you look angry green. So my ISO is 400, f2.8, 1/500. So if you follow our lessons, you notice that when it comes to TTL, I like to make my subject slightly negative with the background. So let's take a shot and let's make her green. Oh, ouch. You don't want to see this. This is... You don't like me when I'm angry. You don't like me when I'm angry. Right, that's green enough, color custard. The solution to this is to go to your menu. Most modern DSLR or mirrorless camera have this option now. Head on in there, go to white balance, shift and bracketing. So it's a Canon. Go in here. Now you're going to see this chart. All you need to do is figure out where's the wall. The wall was green, right? So completely opposite of green is gonna be red, but it's a magenta, a little bit kind of red. So I'm gonna put it at A3M9. So as you can see, it's adjacent. If you are here, then this is the compensation for the color. Let's try this now without changing anything. Let's do the shot again. Same pose and same settings. Boom. You're no more green. Right? See? Easy. I tell you what. Let's find a red wall. Well, I don't have a red wall in my studio because, mind you, my studio is not in the red light district. But I've gotten a red color piece of paper and stuck it to the flag holder. Let's use this. And we have placed the red cardboard over there, which I'm going to use my flash to bounce the light off and make you red. You like that?
No, I don't.
Let's get her some color-casted flash photo. So I'm going to make sure that I set my white balance to back to no shift. Take a shot. You're going to look red. Yep, you look red.
Yes, I am. I am.
And here's what you're going to do. The opposite of red is green. Just remember this. Santa Claus under the mistletoe tree. So red for the Santa Claus, green for the mistletoe tree. So got this now. And same thing. There you go. Problem solved. Look at that. And that is how you get rid of color cast if you use your flash and bouncing them against colorful walls. Write to us, info@beyondphotography.com.my, and you like to see beautiful models like Filipina? Head on to our website, subscribe to our e-learnings, and I do hope that you support us. Say bye.
Bye, guys. See you again next time.
Well, I don't have a red wall in my studio,